Right, well, my end of day steam might not happen today because I've got just about the worst condition Wellesco I've ever seen. Look at this. It's absolutely covered in rust. Look at it. Old Smoky. Change broke. Look how rusty that is. Look at these wheels. Look. Now I know what you're thinking. Why are you working on Mini? Well, I'm working on Mini still. I've been on it today for a couple of hours. I'm really pleased how it's coming on. But these smaller ones just always seem to be a little bit easier. And they don't take long. So, look in here, look. Absolute rust bucket. But it's not going to stay like that. It's not going to stay like that. Anyway, true to form, what I'm going to do is before I start playing about with it, I'm going to see if she runs. Now I have checked the safety valve works. I've already taken this little oiler off and put some oil in there, and that was seized, but it didn't. But it's not now. It's not now. A bit of brass showing. Look at that. Even a bit of brass. I've closed the whistle. So that. Let's have a look. What else did I do? I haven't done too much. And that there was seized, but I've thrown some penetrating fluid on it. Now the thing what I can't get unseized quickly is this little lever here. Puts it in and out of gear, and at the moment I can't get it out of gear, so I'm going to have to raise it up. Let's have a look at that burner. There's a burner in there. God dear, look at that. Oh dear, dear. I'll put me Bix in there. But yeah, can't get it out of gear. So what I'm going to have to do is put a little block of wood or metal or something underneath just to raise the wheels a little bit. And so I'm going to put this on a tripod now, because I need 2 hours to get this going and fill it up and all the rest of it. And we'll see if she runs. Let's give it a go. Right, it's a bit awkward getting into. Just grab my glove. A bit awkward getting into even the filler properly. I've got a tiny little funnel there and a syringe. See, I can see the sight glass, and the sight glass is covered in scale. In fact, what I'll do, right, there's a little bit shine on that sight glass. Now, I've got here some descaler. So while I'm doing my first burn, I'll put some descaler in there, because it's not going to take much more. If I put some descaler in, it might help the old girl. Right, so that's 3/4 full now. I'm glad I remembered that descaler, because let's take that out of there. Put that back in. This does come off, but there's about, I think there's five nuts to take off. You can see the sight glass, you can see the sight glass here. You just see there's a bit of water in there. All that scale. Right, so I opened that whistle to let the water in. Because if you open the whistle, you're letting air, when the water's going in, that's what happened here. The water was going in, but it wouldn't go in because of the air. So I opened the whistle and that sorted it. Right, where's my lighter? Here we go. Yeah, what am I going to sit it on? I'll sit it on that old burner. It's a little, that's perfect. Little Momad burner. Let's turn that down a bit. Don't want to kill it. But it still needs something. Right, let's get that in there. Right. That ain't had any heat for a while. Prepare for a bang. Get that. Right, we'll see. See how we get on. You can see a bit of smoke. There's probably some moisture down there somewhere. Probably some moisture down there. But we do get it going. This wheel's going to go around because this little arm is absolutely solid. And I've got my penetrating fluid. That's been sprayed on it a few times now. Probably wants a little bit more. Okay, let's give it a few minutes and see what happens. Valve goes, the safety valve definitely works. This was, say, absolutely solid, whistle was solid. I've seen, there's a company online and they do aftermarket parts for these, and they make them like a real old, you know, a real old proper traction engine. And we've got a basis. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it into, you won't recognise this when I'm finished with it. There's a lot of changes coming. I found this on eBay. Where do you reckon it come from? The last place you'd think of. It come from Japan. Yeah, it come from Japan. Not Germany, where you expect it. I see it on there. It weren't, well, you can see they didn't want much for it because basically it was a wreck. But I'll give it to Wilesco. They make good models. So it's been neglected, and I bet before this was neglected, I bet it weren't hardly used. So I bet the pistons and bores and all that, I bet it's been hardly used. I sprayed a little bit of that penetrating fluid, and that's probably what's causing this little bit of smoke. I'll give it a minute, let it get some temperature. But yeah, piston's free, actually. Oh man, I didn't put any oil on it. Didn't put any oil on. Give it a chance. Oh dear. That's it. Right, so there's got a bit of oil on it now. It's a little bit. I can hear noises. Shame that's in gear. Now I'm going to switch that off. I'm not happy with that. Let me get my whistle. Water was boiling a lot. Let's have a look at the. Well, the safety wheel was working, so yeah, I will give it a go. Seems to be boiling a lot. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, like the bloody What about that? I was trying to shut it with a valve closed. I was trying to start it with the valve closed. That's the closed position on my other ones. This might be about something. It's that gear kicking in. Well, she runs. She runs, but I can't get that. Well, I'll switch. I've turned the gas off now. It's jammed in gear. And this little lever is seized. And nice to be. I haven't put penetrating oil on it already, but it's not done anything. Well, she runs. She runs, but yeah, I've definitely got some sorting out to do. This will be something I give some attention to now and again. Just as it's nice to have them running. Yeah, that's a surprise though. On my other ones, this position will be closed, and that position is open, and yet this one's the other way around. So that's why I didn't start at first. I thought that was open, and it was boiling away. I could see it boiling away in the glass, and the valve was closed. That there is the open position. And yet on my other ones, that is the closed position. So anyway, I'll leave it there. I'm going to do some investigation and find out what's going on here. This needs leaving overnight, and I probably might have to put a little bit of heat on that to get that moving. But no leaks, and she runs. So I weren't sure about it. It looked like it was bubbling, boiling a lot, but the pressure gauge, the pressure safety valve is actually working. So I decided to give it another bash. But yeah, I would say partial success, considering how bad it is to get it running. I knew it wouldn't take long to get running. I knew it wouldn't take long to get it running, but I've got to get it out of gear because it's jammed in gear. And anyway, guys, that's me playing with more toys again. I'll leave it there, and I'll do probably a weekly one on this. I will get there. Mini over in the background is much more important, and when I look at these little Wellescos and Momads, Mini's not a Mini. It's twice the size of these, but that's going to be a beauty, and I think I'll have it done probably next week. Some of it's fiddly, but anyway, I'll leave it there, guys, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers.